All right, everybody, got a super cool car here. Really digging this one. 1958 Chevrolet Impala. Now this one's a little decked out. Got a crate 454 under the hood. It's got a couple performance parts on there too. But yeah, it'll go if you want it to. It'll cruise if you want it to, because it also has a 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission in it as an added bonus. So yeah, great powertrain, beautiful restoration here. I mean, this car is just killer from every angle. The performance is just as good or even better than the looks. It's got air conditioning that is on and working properly. Has power steering, power disc brakes up front. It's really a sweet ride. Nice aftermarket Grant wood-looking steering wheel here. It's got a great feel to it. And now let's see what she's got. And just like that, absolutely up to speed with no problem. Yeah, this thing just, it'll go if you punch it off the line. I kind of wish we had a tach in here. The motor's revving super low, of course, because we got that overdrive trans here. So let's see if we can get it to track straight over the bumps. The road was tipping to the right a little bit there, but yeah, this car is really dialed in. Our inspection, our shop inspects every vehicle that goes through our dealer. Only thing that didn't work on this one was the radio. That is not working. And then we fixed a leak in the power steering lines, and we fixed the leaky water pump. Other than that, this car was completely dialed in when we got it. And yeah, it's a top quality restoration. No expense spared here. Tremendous vehicle. Oh, you can't forget the color combo. This exterior with this tricolor interior is just a knockout combo. Really digging it. If you want to come test drive it for yourself, you're more than welcome to do so. Contact somebody in our sales department. Eric or Joey would be more than happy to help you guys out, arrange that. We're only about a 40-minute drive outside of O'Hare International Airport if you need to fly in. If you don't have time for all that, you can just click the buy it now and we can ship it anywhere in the world. Or if you'd like, you can hire a third-party inspector and they can give you a thorough inspection on it. But as I see it, it's a fantastic vehicle. You're absolutely going to love it. Check out all the details, pictures, and full description on volocars.com.